This one got ripped wide open.
I'm up in the morning like 5 in the morning, I'm already on. So when you just getting out of the...
I have the bed off of a GMC, I think it's a GMC Canyon or whatever the heck they call them. Little small truck. This one got ripped wide open on the side of the bed. So it's going to get a new bedside, which I have right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this one cut off. I have this bedside all fit up, and my tailgate lines up and fits good along with the taillight. So I am going to go ahead and lift the side back off, and it gets some structural adhesive through here and through here. Then I will get this bedside put on permanently. So this bedside gets a chip guard across these bottom sections, which is just a thick texture to help prevent rocks from chipping it.